How to log into DBS credit card account. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can log into DBS credit card account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to log into your DBS credit card account, all you have to do is go to this URL, which I'll make sure to drop a direct link below, which is the official website. Once you're here, you'll be able to see all the benefits of the super card or your DBS credit card. And in order to log into your credit card account, after you come to this URL, click the login button from the top right hand side. Once you click on login option, over here you can see dbilcreditcards.dbs.com. So all you have to do is right over here you can see you can choose to apply for a new credit card by clicking the sign up option, or if you already have a credit card, then you can just click the login option. Now all you have to do is make sure to enter your username. Once you enter your username, make sure to enter your password, click the login button, and you'll get successfully signed in to your DBS credit card account. In case you forgot your username or password, you can just do this as well. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.